Next 4 years, retirees can't afford to waste. Trump's new tax law. Millions of American retirees are walking straight into a financial disaster, and they don't even know it. Trump's new tax law could cost you thousands in lost benefits, higher taxes, and broken retirement dreams. If you think the next 4 years won't affect your Social Security or Medicare, think again, because doing nothing might be the most expensive mistake of your life. You're watching ElyzeUSA, the channel where retirement meets reality. Subscribe now and protect your future with the facts that matter. What we'll explain here? What's in Trump's new tax law? The hidden impact on retirees. What if the economy doesn't grow? Political tension, Trump versus Biden. What retirees can do right now. 1. What's in Trump's new tax law? So, what exactly is in Trump's new tax law that has retirees on edge? Let's break it down. 1. Lower corporate taxes. One of the key pillars of Trump's proposed tax reform is lowering corporate taxes, again. The idea is to fuel business growth, job creation, and economic expansion. But here's the catch. More tax breaks for companies often mean less federal revenue, and that's where retirees should start paying attention. 2. Flattened tax brackets. Trump is also pushing for flatter, simpler tax brackets. Sounds great, right? But a flatter system could shift more of the burden onto the middle class, including seniors living on fixed incomes who can't afford surprises in their tax bill. 3. Government revenue cuts. When revenue goes down, Congress looks for places to cut. Social Security, Medicare, and retirement safety nets, they're always at risk when budgets get tight. What sounds good for Wall Street and big business might be dangerous for Main Street retirees. 2. The hidden impact on retirees. Now let's talk about how this tax law could quietly squeeze retirees without them even realizing it. 1. Cost of living adjustments, COLA, may shrink. Social Security benefits are supposed to rise with inflation. That's what the COLA is for. But with tighter federal budgets, future increases could be smaller or delayed. And with everything from groceries to gas getting more expensive, even a 1% cut can hurt. 2. Medicare could take a hit. Medicare already faces funding challenges. If tax revenue drops, seniors could see higher premiums, reduced coverage, or more out-of-pocket costs for essential care and prescriptions. 3. Retirement age pressure. To fix the system, lawmakers might raise the retirement age again, pushing benefits further out of reach for millions. You worked your whole life, you paid into the system, and now, when you finally need it, they want to give you less, make you wait longer, and charge you more. 3. What if the economy doesn't grow? Trump's team says tax cuts will boost the economy, create jobs, and grow revenue over time. But what if it doesn't? 1. Rising national debt. If the economy slows or stagnates, and tax cuts shrink government revenue, the national debt could skyrocket. And when debt grows, guess what happens next? 2. Pressure on entitlement programs. Washington starts looking for easy fixes. That usually means trimming so-called entitlements like Social Security and Medicare, the very programs retirees rely on to survive. 3. Same pattern, every time. We've seen this movie before. Tax cuts get passed, the rich get richer, then lawmakers come after your benefits to balance the budget, and seniors are left picking up the pieces. And let's be honest, when the government needs money, it's never the billionaires who pay. It's people like you. 4. Political tension. Trump versus Biden. Now let's look at the political battle over your retirement future. Trump versus Biden. Trump's promise: protect Social Security. Trump says he'll protect Social Security and Medicare, but his tax cuts make it unclear how he'll pay for it all. Can cutting taxes for corporations really coexist with safeguarding your benefits? Biden's record. Mixed results. Biden has pushed to lower drug prices and expand healthcare, but seniors are still facing rising Medicare premiums and costs. So, is your retirement really safer with his plan? The real question for retirees. Both sides talk a big game, but what does that mean for you? Will your benefits stay secure, or will political games cost you dearly in the next 4 years? And I have question, reply me in comment section. Who do you trust to protect your retirement, and what are you doing to prepare? 5. What retirees can do right now. All right, so what can you do today to protect your retirement from these looming threats? Review your tax bracket. Check if you're in a tax bracket that might change with the new law. Planning now can save you thousands later. Look at your retirement accounts. Consider how your IRA or 401k could be affected. Roth conversions might be a smart move before any tax rules tighten. Prepare for smaller COLAs and higher Medicare costs. Budget for potential smaller Social Security increases and rising healthcare premiums. Don't get caught off guard. Explore safety nets. Make sure you know if you qualify for Medicaid, supplemental security income, or other programs that can help. Want to remind you, the next 4 years are crucial. Taking action now could protect your financial future and peace of mind. Final warning. Remember, the next 4 years aren't just political, they're personal for every retiree watching this. Ignoring these changes could cost you thousands in lost benefits and higher taxes. Stay informed, stay prepared. If this video helped you, hit subscribe to ElyzeUSA for weekly updates on your retirement and Social Security. Share this with friends and family, because everyone deserves to retire with dignity. And drop a comment below. What worries you most about your retirement future? Coming soon, how to legally minimize taxes in retirement without risking your benefits. Don't miss it.